today we are going to start exercise 15.1 from probability lesson. Okay, lesson number 15, exercise 15.1. Okay, I'll do some questions and some questions I'll give you as homework. So first we will start with the objective type. See, objective type, fill in the blanks. Last lecture, in the last video I have explained everything. So better you try this time. I'll give the answers in my next video. Then second question number, that is, which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Explain. So they have given the 4 options. This also, first you try it. Objective type you try it first. Then I will give the answer in my next video. Okay. Your third one, what is given is, why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the chance of beginning the football game? See, by normally every game there is a tossing of coin and there is only 2 outcomes, either this side or that side, head or tail. So it is the best way to decide. You can write the sentence because it has only 2 outcomes. So either one team will get a chance or the other team will get a chance. Okay. So you completed this one. The next one, fourth one, which of the following outcome of the probability of an event? That is 2 by 3 minus 1/5, 15% and 0.7. Okay. So here in this case, all the 3 are positive. Only one is negative, and I have told you probability of any event is always lying between 0 and 1. Either it is 0 or it is 1 or lies between 0 and 1. Means it cannot be a negative. So this minus 1 minus 1.5 will not be the answer. Okay. Now we will start our question from question number 5 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 you will do by yourself. I will give the answers in my next video. Don't worry, but try to do it by yourself. Don't see from here and there and back. Okay. So first we will start with the question number 5. I will read the question once again. What is given? The probability of an event is 0.05. What is the probability of not E? That is, they have given probability of an event is 0.05, and we have to find probability not E. Not means we will put a bar on this one. We have to find this one. Okay. So here I have already given you the formula. What is that formula? Probability of an event plus probability of a event not E is equal to 1. When we add both of them, value should be 1. So I have E and I don't have this, so I can get the value. Therefore, probability of not E is equal to 1 minus 0.05. Why minus? Because I am taking this over here. So it will be final answer. 0.05 means 0.95. Okay, you can subtract it and see 1.00 and 0.05 minus this will become 10, this will become 9 and this will become 0. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 and 0. The simple calculations you have not shown the calculation. Somewhere I will show, somewhere I will not show the calculation. Okay. Now next question number 6. What is question number 6? We will read the question. It is given a bag contains lemonade flavored candies. Only means in one bag. Okay, we have only lemon flavored candy. Okay, lemon flavored candies, and what is given further? Next, Malini takes out one candy at a time from a bag without looking into it. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? See, the first one is an orange flavored candy. See, if the bag has only lemon flavored candy, is it possible to get an orange flavored candy? It is not possible. So this is an impossible event. So impossible event, we will write PA equals to, this is not possible, that is orange flavor is 0 and lemon flavor is total, because we don't know the number of candies, so we will write it as n. 0 upon n is again 0, that is impossible event. Okay, and in the second case they have told getting lemon flavored candy or lemon flavored candy. In this case, in lemon flavored candy, we can write this probability B as we have taken total n candies. So lemon, all are lemon, so chances of getting n is Okay, so here before this we have to write here, let the lemon flavored candy numbers be n, or you can write number of lemon flavored candy be n. So after that, if we have n number, we can write for orange flavored 0 upon n and for lemon flavored n upon n. Okay, this much is clear. We will continue when we erase it. Okay, now we'll continue. Question number 7. They have given that in a group of 3 students, probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. And what is the probability that 2 students have the same birthday? Now this is again an opposite event, that is also called as complementary event. So here students not having same birthday is equal to 0.992. So the chances is 0.992. Let it be A event. Okay, so for finding students having same birthday, that is, it was not having same birthday, now we have same birthday. So this will be not A, and now we have to find A. Okay, so probability again A plus probability not A equals to 1. We have done this formula. So here in this term we have not A, so we have to find probability A, that is possibility of having the birthday on the same date, that is 0.992, that is 0.008. Okay, again we will take 3 decimals, 992, this will be 10, 9, 9 and 0, 8, 0, 0.0, that is 0.008. Okay, hereafter subtraction you will do properly by yourself. Somewhere I will do, somewhere I will not do. Okay, 2 questions I have showed you how to get the answer from 1 minus. Directly 1 को 2 के नीचे रख के minus नहीं करना. 1 is the unit digit and your unit digit is 0. This is after decimal number, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So it will be 1.000 and then subtract it, you will get the correct answer. Okay, next we will do question number 8. What is given? A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red color? Okay, so here question number 8. First we will write how many red balls are there. So red balls are 3. Okay, and how many black balls are there? Black balls is equal to 5. First we have to find the total balls. Whenever we have to find the probability, we should know the total. So 5 plus 3 is 8. We have to just add it and get the total balls. After that, we have been asked in this to find the probability of getting A. I have mentioned here A, of getting red color ball. Red ball. How many are the red ball? Red ball are 3. Okay. So probability of A will be 3 upon total is 8. Okay. It cannot be reduced. Leave it as it is. Now in second case, what they have asked B, that is probability not red. Okay. Not red. That means we will take it as not A. Okay. Because A is 3 red ball and not red means not A. Therefore, probability not A equals to 1 minus 3 upon 8. Now see, till now we were having decimals. So directly I told you put 0, 0 and subtract it. Here in this case we have fraction. 1 is the whole number and this is the fraction. We cannot do subtraction directly. 1 minus 3, 2 upon 8. Don't do that. We have to cross multiply because we have to make the denominator common. So it will be 8 ones are 8 minus 3 common denominator 8. That is 8 minus 3 will be 5 by 8. Okay, and logically also if you take it when it is not red, then it would be black. And black is how much? 5. So 5 by 8 will be the final answer. This is it. But you don't have to write 5 by 8. You have to write like this: 1 minus 3 by 8 equals to 8 minus 3 upon 8. That is 5 by 8. Okay. This way, go on doing the sums. Now, question number 9. Again, the balls are there. There are 5 red balls, 8 white balls, not sorry, marbles. 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. Okay. Now, first question is red. So, out of these, first we will take the total 5 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. How much it will be? 5 plus 8 plus 4 will be 17. Okay. Total we have to take like this: red marbles, then white marbles, then green marbles. Then we have to take the total. After taking the total, what we will do? How many red marbles? That is, red is given 5. So 5 by 70. White marbles, how many white are there? 8 by 70. Like this, you will do the sum. This I am giving you as homework. I will give you the worksheet attached. That time you will do this sum as a homework. Okay. So 9th one is your homework. See, I am writing your homework questions. That is homework question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 9. Okay. Next we will go on the next question number 10. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paisa coin, 50 1 rupee coin, 20 2 rupee coin and 10 5 rupee coin. It is equally likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. Same thing. First we will write here. This I will do for you. Question number 10. That is number of 50 paisa coin is equal to 100. Okay. Then number of rupee 1 coin is equal to, how many is given? 50. Okay. Then number of rupee 2 coins is equal to 20. Okay. Then number of rupees 5 coin is equal to 10. Okay. Now total, we have to first find the total because we need the total to solve the sum. 50, 60, 70, 80, total will be 180. Now the first question, what is given is, what will be the 50 paisa? That is, I am taking it as A 50 paisa coins. Falling of 50 paisa coin. 50 paisa coin is 100. So probability A will be 100 upon total 180. So 2 5s are 2 9s are 5. The answer will be 5 by 9. Then what is given will not be 5 rupee coin. Probability B is not be rupee 5 coin. Now if it is not, again we have to find first the probability and then subtract it. So what is 5 rupee coin? 5 rupee coin is 10. So probability not B is equal to 1 minus, that is 10 upon 180. Okay. Here we have rupee 5 coin and we have to find not B, that is not rupee 5 coin. I am just changing here because it would be easy for you to understand, otherwise it will be difficult. B में 5 रुपये कॉइन ले लिया, नॉट बी में नॉट रुपीज 5 कॉइन लिया, यहाँ पे नॉट बी करके हम उसका आंसर निकालते हैं. 1 माइनस, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली कटिंग हो सकता है बिकॉज दे आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवीजन. 1 minus 1 upon 18, 18 ones are 18 minus 1 upon 18, that is 17 upon 18. This will be the final answer. Okay, so here we can do it like this. If you are directly taking not 5 rupees coin, so we have to यहाँ पे B लिखना होता. अगर B को हम not 5 लेते तो यहाँ पे B लिखते, not B नहीं लिखते. Okay, this must be very clear. So one more question. Now question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from the shop for his aquarium. Aquarium you all understand. It is a fish tank where we keep the fishes. Okay. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from the tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. Okay. Now in question number 11, we will first write what are the numbers. So male fish, how many are there? 5. Okay. And female fish, that is, they are 8. Now we have to find the total as usual. So 5 plus 8 will be 13. Now what is the first question they have asked? That what is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? So probability of getting male fish, that is, first we write what is A. A is getting male this type of question comes under 2 mark, this type of question comes under 3 mark, and more than 1 2 probability agar assi 1 probability carries 1 mark, so 2 probability 2 marks, like that they are going and asking questions like this to confuse. तो जितना difficulty level रहेगा उसका mark वैसा रहेगा. ये 1 mark के section में भी आता है, 2 mark के section में भी आता है और 3 mark के section में भी आता है. ठीक है. Now I am stopping over here till question number 11. मैं आपको question number homework में और एक देने वाली हूँ, that is 13 and 14. Okay, 9, 13 and 14. This answers we will discuss in our next video. And जो remaining question है 12, 15, 16, 17, 18 से लेके 25 तक है. These some questions we will do in our next video. For today, this much. Thank you.